Welcome back to another video, Rankin family. I'm excited to bring to you a beautiful Tri Pointe property right here in Richmond, Texas. This property is absolutely beautiful. You're going to love it. And some of the key upgrades you're going to notice is the stucco exterior with the stone. It's a multi-tone stone and it's absolutely luxurious. And as soon as you walk in, you're going to have this beautiful foyer right here. And the first place that we're going to start is going to be the formal dining room right here to the left. Of course, you're going to notice the recessed lighting throughout the property. Beautiful lighting fixture coming down, extremely modern. That's what a lot of folks love, is that modern look. And if you notice, a lot of the model homes that we toured, they have those accent walls, and they didn't skip a beat on here as well. And then this is going to be the study. So you're going to have a nice size study with the accent wall as well. Baseboards all along this property. And let me know in the comments, what do you think about this accent wall? Do you like accent walls, or really do you just rather the plain Jane wall that just kind of gives it that clean look? So me personally, I love the accent wall. I think it adds a nice touch, definitely a nice aesthetic to a property. And then right here, we're going to be going into the great room. As you can see, you have the high ceilings, absolutely gorgeous with the clear story windows. And even right here in the kitchen, if you notice, this is one of the first ones that we've done with the darker wood cabinets. Most of the time it has the white cabinets, maybe even the lighter gray cabinets, but this is definitely different. Nice size walk-in pantry right here as well. And then right here, you're going to have your laundry room / mudroom combo. So that's definitely a nice touch. I don't know, sometimes other people, or other builders rather, they have the mudroom separate, and sometimes you might see the mudroom in the laundry room. So it just depends on personal preference. And as you see with this kitchen, you have the quartz countertops. Of course, even going into the great room, you're going to have a lot of the matching tones, a lot of the matching colors, so that way it adds a nice touch. But even with the kitchen being the way it is, I think the darker wood definitely adds a different touch as far as with the quartz countertops and the darker wood cabinet. So yeah, let me know what you think about that. So this one, you'll have the double oven, stainless steel appliances in here, quartz countertops all along right here. This will be a Brizo kitchen sink faucet. So you have your stainless steel dishwasher as well. This one's interesting. So you have two primary bedrooms down here, and you'll notice that one. So this is the first primary bedroom. Don't worry, the other one's larger, so you don't have to really worry about it. If you look at it, you might see it looks a little smaller compared to other ones, but this one has an ensuite as well, bathroom connected to the bedroom and the closet. So a decent sized walk-in closet. I would definitely say this would probably be best for, just some guests. If they're coming over and they want to stay put, they have their own section of the house. That way, you really don't have to worry. And this will be your standalone shower. You have the tile backsplash. You have absolutely beautiful countertops right here coming in here as well. Yeah, so this one, like I said, this is a Tri Pointe, so you're one of the first people to see this property because they just furnished this model home. They just built it, and they want to get it all seen and visible to all the folks out there. So hope you absolutely love this one. And this will be your secondary primary bedroom. So if you notice, you might think this is one of the best ones right here because you have that chandelier with two exposed wooden beams, adds a nice touch right there. Plenty of natural light that comes in here, and as you can see, it's a lot larger than the other primary bedroom. So this will definitely be the main one, and don't worry, this primary bathroom is absolutely stunning. You're gonna love this one. So even when you're walking in, you're gonna have the marble tile quartz countertops extending in here on the his and her sink, as well as the large oversized soaking tub. And I want to pan around here so that way you can see the other countertop as well. So you have plenty of space right there. Would be a good area for women to do their makeup, and they can just have the access to the mirror. Right here, you notice the tile marble extends in here for the backsplash. You got your nice little niche plus your shower bench right there. And the flooring even extends in the closet as well. So as you see right here, you even have your little window right there to add some more natural light. You have plenty of space, plenty of storage in here for any accessories, any amount of clothes that you have. Even looking on this side too, this will be a lot of space for you. And they also even have a little storage area right here where you can store maybe some suitcases, some other things that you don't want to be visible. That way it gives it a nice aesthetic when they're walking into the closet. So gorgeous, gorgeous. I mean, these are one of the homes that are extremely durable. They're extremely well put together. The layout is thought out. If you ever see some model homes where you say, well, why is, that laundry room over here? That's not practical or not feasible, but they definitely thought out this one. And so now we're going to be taking a look upstairs. Of course, you have your curved staircase. And then even right here, you have your tray ceilings on the top with the recessed lighting. And so this one is going to have the other bedrooms up here. So you're going to have a total of 5 bedrooms in this one. So you have your stainless steel ceiling fan right there. You also have a lot of key features in here. The main thing is you definitely want to have a lot of window space. So that way, a lot of that natural light comes in. You don't really have to have the lights on throughout the day. And this will be the closet right here. Closet to this bedroom. Of course, you're going to have the sinks right there. So this is going to be a Hollywood bath. Essentially, it's the same thing as a Jack and Jill, but the sinks are going to be, attached to the other bedrooms on the other side, rather. So gorgeous. And if you notice the sinks, the color, of course, it's a high level granite. It's going to be the same as it was in the first primary bedroom that we like. So let me know what you think about that one. Do you like the quartz countertops in the bathrooms, or would you rather the granite, the white, or the black? Let me know in the comments what you think. All right. So now we'll head back. We'll let you see this other room right here. So that way you'll see what's going on. So of course, even here you can have, a pool table, ping pong table. You can just have it set up how they set it up, just so you can, watch football or watch anything you like. This will be the beautiful, cozy media room right here. You have plenty of space in here. You could put the L-shaped couch in here. You could just put theater chairs. You'll have enough space in there as well. This will be another bathroom right here. You got a decent sized bathroom. You got the shower tub combo. And then even right here, you have the LED ceiling fan again, plus the recessed lighting includes a lot of that natural light. I mean, of course, we're having the recessed lighting plus the LED fan. You'll have plenty of light in here. So if you ever want to make maybe a content room, or even use some of this as a secondary office, if there's a study down there, this will be a great house for you. And as you can see right there. And also, let me know again, tell me, what do you think about the tray ceilings? Do you like the tray ceilings on the top where it has that little lip right there and it's elevated? Let me know. And then even right here, can you imagine just coming down these stairs even on Thanksgiving Day or for Christmas Day? You have your tree right there. Absolutely cozy. You'll love this place. And then now what I'll do is I'll take you into the backyard so that way you can see what's going on. Of course, this one has the extended covered backyard patio, which is great because any time of the day, regardless if it's raining, snowing, hailing, you'll be able to enjoy your backyard without any issues. So of course you got the oversized patio. It even extends over there to the right. So that way, if you have a lot of people, they'll have plenty of sitting space and you'll be good to go. And then also over there, put a little bonfire out there. Absolutely cozy, especially now we're heading into the winter. This may be a perfect place for anybody looking. So ladies and gentlemen, that was a Tri Pointe property.
All right, folks, so that's it for this tour. I hope it met your expectations. Let me know in the comments what you thought about it. And of course, if you do want more information or other floor plans that Tri Pointe has, hit that contact information below. And I'll see you folks on the next property tour.